This is the Torsional Spring Interactive Calculator, which solves for torque, angle, spring rate, energy, force, and lever radius in torsional spring systems. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate torque from angle, calculate angle from torque, calculate spring rate, calculate stored energy, calculate force from lever arm, and calculate required lever radius. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate torque from angle. The input fields are torsional spring rate (kT) measured in Newton meters per radian, angular displacement theta in radians, applied torque tau in Newton meters, applied force F in newtons, and lever arm radius R in meters. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a torsional spring rate of 2.5 Newton meters per radian and an angular displacement of 1.047 radians. After clicking Calculate, the results show the calculated torque required to achieve this angular displacement, along with any additional relevant parameters like stored energy in the spring. The calculator automatically determines which inputs are needed based on your selected calculation mode, making it straightforward to solve various torsional spring problems. Find the link in the description below.